Hello, my name is Peter Phelps, and I'm here to introduce you today to my 3D printed invention, the safety hanger. Now, I'm sure you're looking at me saying, who's this Peter guy? And why should I trust his invention? Well, you could say Peter's my name and 3D printing is my game. I've been featured on both 3dprint.com and most recently Chris's Basement. So let's go check out the development of this. I used 5 of the 3rd version safety hanger to hang streamers onto the corners and onto the center of the gazebo. I feared the open loop design of version 1 might allow the streamers and the balloons to come off in the wind. Version 2 had a bad layer shift in the center print. Version 2 and 3 were designed with closed loops, but these turned out to be difficult in trying to hang something like Christmas lights or garland because they would get stuck. Version 4 has a slimmer diameter and a return to the open hook in order to hang objects that use grommets, like flags and banners. In an effort to reduce the necessary materials, the final version 5 was created. So that was easy. So I'm thinking that even kids could possibly do this, in my opinion. I've got 2 safety hangers up there in the middle to hold that. And we've got the one up here. And the way it's designed, you just screw it on, push it up, unscrew it, and they go right on in place, clamping onto the board. There is a 2x whatever version and a 5/8 version. And they're really easy to take back off too. You just screw it back on. There's usually a little bit of space between the threads on the safety hanger and the boards, so it almost works as a push-off clamp when you put them back on. Let me show you. When you go to take them back down, I mean. And there we have the safety hanger. Alrighty then. Here we go. I know, I can reach up there and probably grab this. But you get the idea. One caveat with the safety hanger would be that I have not had a chance to wind tunnel test these. You should take them down if the winds get over 15 miles per hour. Another issue may be if you're using Christmas tree lights that create heat. If they're in contact with these, they could melt it or even possibly start a fire. So I would suggest making sure that there's plenty of clearance for the heat to dissipate. So there you have it. Those are my safety hangers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and may all your hanging needs be safe.